do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul.
So I'm just going into this tan shade right here as a transition. Didn't primer. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this primer. I hear a lot of people say it's like sticky. So let's see. This is how it looks. It don't feel sticky on me, like, not yet at least. Okay, so now I'm going in with this tan shade as a transition. And the colors I just named after the colors that they are in the crayon box, so nothing special. Well, I already see pigment just from this tan shade, so. And look at, let me show you, look at this big mirror. So that's another plus. I'm gonna use this red. I've been wanting a red eyeshadow for the longest, like especially for Valentine's Day, and I wish this would have came sooner. Look at this, y'all. Purple shade. I have no idea where I'm going with this look, so just bear with me. Put this on top. Okay, now I think I'm gonna take this deep plum shade right here. It's like so close to black but not black. Right here. I guess I'm gonna put some of my inner tear duct. Take this baby blue. Let's see. So I guess I'm gonna go over on my inner lid and put a different color, and I think I'm gonna do gold right here, gold, because I'm feeling bold. White eyeliner. And this is the NYX liner. So I was doing my liner off camera, then I realized they have a white eyeshadow, so I'm just use that to put on top of this liner. Finish my face off camera, so I'm about to do my waterline, and I think I'm gonna go in with the red. Let's see. first I'm going into the deep plum shade to darken it up. Some gold in my inner tear duct. I'm going to set my face and then put some mascara on the bottom. So this is the final look. I had to readjust my lighting. I don't know what happened at the end, but I'm going to give y'all an up close. So in the video you saw me do the white line, but I didn't like how it looked by itself, so I just threw some black liner on top. So let's see, do I like this palette? I'm just like, yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so glad I got it. Like, y'all don't know what I went through to get this palette. Well, not to get it, but I had ordered it. And then I was expecting it a certain day. It did not come on that day. It was delayed for like 3 days. I was just like, no. But yeah, I finally got it. I do like the primer. It's not sticky. Like, I haven't seen so many good reviews on it, but it works well for me. Like, I love it. The palette, I just love the look of it and everything. The packaging, the design. And I feel like it's just like perfect. Like, this is perfect for like if you're gonna do like a vibrant or bright look, you know. Definitely pick up this palette. Well, it is kind of long and big, but it comes with the mirror. You have 18 shades, I believe 9 matte shades and 9 shimmer shades, so you have a variety. It kind of smells like paint. I don't know if that was done purposely or what, but yeah, I'm super excited I got this. Like, that's all I've been thinking about lately, like, is this palette, and I just can't wait to create so many more looks with it. Like, and it's, I think, $29.99. I don't know how much this glue was. I don't know off back. Probably leave it like in the description. Those are showing, like you can see, like this is a perfect red shadow, and I threw in some this is the perfect red shadow, and I threw in some purple, so it might look a little pinkish, but I just love this look. Like, it's something very different for me. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.